Okay guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Today's video is sponsored by Recool hair. And let's see what's in the bag first, because I always get some goodies, of course. Some clips, oh, lashes, most definitely a wig cap. We got a band for the edges to lay the wig down with the brand logo on. Edge brush, definitely need. We got a bonnet for the hair, always get one of these. Some ear clips, and if you want to do it with a band as well, or you know, headband wig, whatever you want to call that. But you know, save you. This is the box and the wig is inside, and this is a 22 body wave hair, 13x4 lace front wig, 180 density, of course. There's a little booklet where you can find them: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all the good stuff, and to also tell you about install and everything if you are a beginner. But let's get to the good part. Now this is the wig, and the color is definitely amazing. I love it. As you see, the wig is well secure. Oh, this is cute. So it's a body wave. There's also a band on the wig, so you ain't gotta worry. It's adjustable. There are 4 clips, one at the top, 2 on the sides, and 1 at the bottom. More likely I'm gonna take off the ones on the side. I'll keep this one. This one is important to me, but you guys don't have to worry. If you're a beginner, you can leave it as well. Let's go into the lace and see. It's beautiful. Just a little bit of plucking. We are definitely gonna pluck this unit, and the lace is stretchable, which you always need that. That is important. So this is how the wig looks. It is beautiful, of course, like always. Absolutely love it. The wave suit, we're definitely gonna put some big curls in this. I think I want to do something to it, you know, cut the fronts, but we'll see. But I love it. It has that gold look to it. It's definitely beautiful. The color is amazing. This is the inside, and then as I showed you, this is how the lace look. But let's get into this beautiful wig. Let's style it. I like to style my wigs first. We're definitely going to style it on the mannequin, you know, and then we're going to install it, so stay tuned. All right guys, the first thing that we're going to do is, there is a piece of napkin on the head. I love when I'm going to pluck the hair, it has a white background. Whether you want to use a napkin or towel, that's perfectly fine, and go in. We're definitely going to clip this down, and then we are going to go in and pluck and pluck and pluck, because we want this wig to look as natural as possible. So let's clip it down, and then we are going to go in and pluck. Guys, welcome back. We are gonna put on this wig. It's a different color, so I feel like it's gonna complement my outfit. So I'm a bit excited, you know. I'm excited. I just did my makeup, so we're gonna install the wig. Let me show you the wig, because what I did last night, I plucked everything, put the curls in the wig. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the color. It's gonna complement me. So we are gonna take it off. Well, take the pins out, and we are gonna get into this install. I'm thinking to do we're just gonna do it glueless. So let's take this off. Pull back my hair already. We have the cap on. Let's see how we're gonna do it. I did last night add makeup to the lace, so that much we did. What should we do? I'm wondering if I should glue it. Let's take some time and think about it and see if I'm gonna glue it or we're gonna do it glueless. Give me a minute. Okay guys, so we went ahead and put the cap on. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of glue, just not too much. Add a second layer. Alright guys, everything is on. We are gonna install the wig now. Let's see how it looks. When you're putting on a wig, make sure it's where you want it before you lay it down. Make sure it's in the middle. If it's the middle part. Alright, so we put on the front. I'm gonna do it side by side. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I tied down my hair. We are definitely gonna pull it off so we could cut the lace. It's just a little thing that I prefer to do. It's the thing to cut the lace. I did section off everything, so we are gonna go in. Did y'all see that, or y'all didn't see that? Ooh, look at this. Alright, so I'm gonna use a hot comb. You guys already know how I do all this stuff. But this hair is beautiful. I think I like it. We did curl it last night, so I didn't brush the curls out. Ooh. Alright, so let's see if you want to add layers in it. I might do just that, but I'm gonna brush the curls out. You see, this is easier. You guys can try styling your wig before you install it on your head, especially if it's something you want to flat iron or a hair that you want to curl. That's what I do. It just works easier for me. I hate to fix my hair on my head if I'm not installing it. I think everything needs to be done, and I love that this lay all the way flat. There we go. It's beautiful. Let me see if I need layers, because the way I'm wearing it is I want this area to stay all the way flat, right? So do we need layers? Let's look at it. I don't think I want to add layers. I want it to lay all the way back like this. Oh, and you guys know when you can wear hair all the way back, that means the lace is properly made. So this hair, all the details will be in the description below. It is a reddish brown hair. It is absolutely beautiful. It's, you know, it's like the 99J, but I love this color more. This one is just different because it has brown in it. So even though it gives off that reddish look, it also have brown in it. And my baby ears, they're not stiff, so we can always fix them. But I absolutely love this wig. So it's a reddish brown color wig. The curls last. Not the first time working with this company. Every time I work, they never disappoint. So you guys can check the description for the details on this wig, or you can check their social media platforms, everything. Instagram, you can go and see if you like it. You can go on their website. You don't have to directly take this wig. There's other options, definitely. You guys saw me in a curly wig that I'll be wearing all over. It's from this company. So you guys can go definitely check them out, and make sure you use the code. Make sure you click on the link and shop. Okay, thank you Recool Hair for sending me this beautiful hair. This one is in 22 inches, and I kid you not, it is snug on my head, like literally. So I really do like it. I can wear it all the way back. I can put my headband on if I want and just have it laying back. So I will not cut the hair this time. Maybe in the next install I will. But thank you guys so much for watching. Absolutely love it. If you do, leave it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. You guys know we do hair videos twice a week, weekly vlog the rest of the week, so stay tuned for the next one.
One wave.